room in order to try to practice social distancing as best we can. We're going to hear from Austin Ramirez.
I'm Lane County Community and Economic Development Manager. And Springfield Mayor Christine Lundberg. In partnership County, $100,000 from Springfield and $100,000 from Eugene, this fund will provide small businesses with what they need and what they're asking for. Loans of up to $30,000 at 2% interest. These funds can help businesses cover fixed expenses, costs associated with modified operations, or bridge funding. That they will be ready to rebuild, reopen, and rehire when we are through this. In addition to Chair Buck, I would specifically like to thank Vice Chair Joe Burney, an advocate of a program like this for several months.
Thank you, Austin. Good morning, everybody. Small local businesses are the heart of any community. They provide wages that support our families. And not to be overlooked, they are a part of what makes a lifetime of hard work, tough as a small business owner myself, I feel those I've spoken to are more successful. Local businesses are reporting in order for us to understand what it means to our community. Business. My business relies on foot traffic for most of its revenue. Foot from an insurance office. My current customers are losing their jobs and they force. I had 75 employees. Travelers renting rooms. Crisis. Without help, I'm proud that we've come together with our city partners at this time of crisis. I'm especially proud that 120 unable to be here today. They are very busy getting ready to accept all a statement on behalf of Community Lending Works CEO Emily Ryman. At Community Lending Works and across Lane County, we are united in our in the last few weeks, those small businesses and to save their companies. City of Springfield offer a first step forward by the pandemic. These dollars can help businesses cover bare bones, fixed expenses, costs associated available. Water, even if their doors can't remain open. As soon as possible. Level with representatives for additional funding and business support. Shopping local, whether that is purchasing a gift card now for use later, they have been there with us and we'll get through this together.
Thank you, Commissioner Buck. Thank you, everyone, for assembling and on our community. And don't fully know the long-term impacts of this. In these early days, I am heartened by some of our downtown business. It is brave and courageous and flexible, and I hope we level, including the Eugene Area Chamber of Commerce. Governments to provide information and assistance to area and thinking about how we will be able to assist with recovery down the We are vulnerable community members, including renters, our only tool. In addition to our contribution to that fund, we also have existing loan programs that we are creatively using to alleviate hardships and support recovery. We are now, with so many partners taking steps to create resources to reduce the economic impact of COVID-19, we are keeping our website updated with accurate and up-to-date information for businesses and employees. Right now, our priority is to encourage impacted employers and their employees to reach out to the Oregon Employment Department and learn more about their resources for people who have been laid off. OED has been and flexible during this situation and is doing what they can to soften the impact. We are also exploring what we can do in the short term to alleviate some of these struggles. Yesterday, we launched free curbside pickup for operating restaurants. This small and simple solution allows for community members to easily and safely get takeout food while being able to support our local businesses. Many businesses have stepped up with creative community members. The Eugene Chamber of Commerce has stepped in to help get those ideas implemented and resources to the people who can.
So, good morning. I want to begin with a statement to bring emergency economic relief packages to our local communities. Wide economic development work includes available on both Lane counties and our Spring COVID-19. And maintaining our commitment to be there even when we do not and advocacy for access to critical short-term operating funds, tax relief, applications within your insurance policies and lines of credit. We know you're making or immediate solutions. Know that we are doing our absolute best to share this information. Willingness to share is helping us better shape the resources and act. Continue to reach out to us and to our Springfield area. View. Thank you. And now I want to turn it back over
To learn more about the loan program and how to apply, please visit communitylendingworks.org. This Sunday at noon to allow businesses to prepare over the next 48 hours. The goal is to have money in the hands of businesses next week. Tool in our developed so businesses can continue to tell us what they need. Please go to lanecountyor.gov/coronavirus and click on business information to take the survey. It is critical that we continue to measure impact now and in the future to focus and direct local, state, and federal responses to those. We are committed to supporting our business community. I believe this is one way to address immediate needs while
Thank you, Austin. I think it's understandable to feel overwhelmed in Lane County that are working to keep us healthy and safe. Help us get better. All of those practice social distancing. You are the reason why we will get of our homes. All the businesses who are currently to those roles has been inspiring. Thank you to our dental offices who have ceased certainly not least to our custodial workers who are keeping all of our facilities clean and healthy. Use them to the Delta Highway signs that will direct you on where to go, the operation hours that are when they're accepting our tattoo parlors, beauty salons, spas, and construction companies. We very much appreciate your donations, and those donations are going to we have 133 individuals who have been tested from Lane County. We still have 15 pending. We've been asked within public health, how do we get through this? How do we save our economy? How do we save lives? And the answer is twofold. One is if we as a community and across Lane County are vigilant about social distancing, we can flatten the curve and we can get through this. So please, please practice social distancing. And at this time, we will accept any questions that members of our media community might have.
So, Jason, we have some questions. What does it mean to be eligible with 20 FTE or fewer?
Fortunately, we have someone who can answer that. Austin?
Please repeat the question, Austin.
So to the first question, what is the interest rate on the loans? It's a 2% max interest rate. And again, the first 6 months are deferred payments, 6 months, and then after that, the loan turns out over time as the
To be eligible with
so it is the aggregate of the To say loans are up to $30,000, and each loan will be decided on a case-by-case basis by Community Lending Works loan officers.
Loans first come, first serve.
Are these loans first come, first serve? Yes, for eligible applicants. To do that, please go to communitylendingworks.org for more information.
And
$200,000 from Wayne County Community and $100,000.
instructions for submitting.
And we will see